I have got the internship. Boom!
Be jobless and useless when Devin came out.
Good morning and welcome back to Noob to Software Engineer. My name is Felix and this is my journey from not knowing anything about programming to get to my first job as a software engineer. And today it's a new week. What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
21, yeah, week 21.
21 or mortal. We'll never die.
Let's go! Yeah, today I started school a little bit later, so I just came home from the gym. I have worked out in the morning, feeling great, feeling good. So now I'm ready to go to school.
Hold up.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out?
Big nights, get a nigga X-Dot. Bitch, I'm rich, I'm tryna fuck on every dot. Bitch, I'm rich, I'm tryna beat your neck out. Savage got the 40 with the red dot. Savage made $250,000 off red out. Yeah, nigga, I ain't never filled out a job out. Your favorite rapper keyboard, I swear that nigga all cap. All my niggas real fans, all of them all clap.
They have refurnished everything. I don't like changes.
Hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, yo, yo. What's up, man? C# or TypeScript? C#. C# for the win.
Okay, so I am now home from school and I have some good news. I have got the internship. So, boom, the paper are signed. So everything is done. I have got the internship. So nice, so nice. Now I don't have to think about that. And as I said, it was a really nice company. I really liked the company as well. And they liked me. And I think I'm gonna have a really good time there. Learn as much as possible. Keep on getting better and better. It's the goal. I am not here to become some average ass programmer. I am here to become a great programmer. Why do you want to be average in anything? I don't understand that. I don't gonna see this as just a job because I have my thing. I want to create my own company in the future, but now we are still in the learning phase. We have to learn as much as possible and then opportunities are gonna come. I am going to see things I can do better. I can create my own products. It's really good. And I'm able to film the journey all the way. But as you know, when you start a tech company, the coding is just one part. You have to do the marketing. You have to find good employees if you want to scale it up and make it big. It's a lot of things that come with starting a company. But yeah, I'm super happy that I got my internship. And after the summer, it's time for the internship. Man, we are soon a software engineer, like this close. When we got the job, job's finished. I'm just joking.
Job's not finished. Job finished? I don't think so.
Super happy, super excited. I see you guys tomorrow. Let's go. Good morning, it's a new day and we are working from home. Soon gonna have the morning meeting. And today we are gonna start the second sprint. And this is the last sprint of the project. We're not gonna waste more time. We're just gonna jump right into the meeting and have this. And then the second sprint begin. What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Let's go. Okay, so I have now learned about pipelines in Azure DevOps and how you can use pipelines to test every function that it works and stuff like that. And also so there are no errors when you are pushing up everything to your main project. We have two stages. We have development, production. You always want to test before you push up to the main branch. But now I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna work out, and when I come back I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna learn about pipeline, learn how we can do everything as good as possible. But yeah, now let's go to the gym.
Bra jobbat. Det här är din vila, så ta det lugnt.
Devin, the world first AI engineer, fake. And for you who don't know who Devin is or what Devin are, Devin is the world first AI software developer who is here to take all the jobs in software, and yeah, we all gonna be jobless and useless when Devin comes out. Or so they did promise. This is Devin.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use.
So yeah, really cool, right? AI that can do everything. But when it's too good to be true, it usually is. Me and my teacher actually joked about this when this came out. We were like, this is total bullshit. There is no way this is going to be legit. And I think we were right. I think we were right, because now Devin is in the hotspot. There are many claims that Devin is fake. Of course we have to try it. But as it turns out, I cannot try this. So the only thing we can do is to watch a video on how it looks.
So in case you've been living under a rock, this is the initial announcement from Cognition, introducing Devin, the first AI software engineer. Meet Devin, the world's first
Okay, so they have already raised $21 million. Interesting.
fully autonomous AI software engineer. And when I first saw this, it immediately raised a bunch of red flags. It reminded me immediately of how often Elon Musk likes to talk about his autonomous cars that aren't autonomous. They can't drive themselves. And this felt the same way. The more experienced software engineers can look at this and say, this feels unreasonable.
Yeah, and some other thing. And here, hire Devin. Please reach out here. Okay, so we click here. And what do we get? A fucking Google Forms. So if you as a company want to hire Devin, you have to fill out this Google Forms. If Devin was real, why didn't you ask Devin to do nice looking forms website?
But a beginner who doesn't know better will see this and think, well, there's no reason for me to learn how to code now because we have AI autonomous software engineers on to the next thing. And it's going to take all of these people who could have become good software engineers, it's going to push them away from the industry because they're going to feel like there's just no point.
It's so true. These kind of things scare people from learning how to code, or even people who know how to code, they blame Devin and AI on why they can't find a job. There will be no more software developers or software engineers. Like, how many people realistically do you think have just stopped because of this? I think it's so many people. To be honest, I just think it's less competition for the ones who actually want to do this for real. So I don't mind, to be honest.
Well, we can go to the preview of Devin, or at least what they call a preview. And we have this very basic looking website, and we have some things you can try. So let's say debug and fix the test in this code base, and it's going to have some example code base. But then it just asks you to request access with your email. And this to me is one of my least favorite things about Silicon Valley. It's not a form to request access to Devin. Sure, you might be requesting it, but they are not going to grant it. This is a form for them to collect email addresses so that they can go to venture capital firms in Silicon Valley and say, hey, look at us. We have millions of people ready to use our application. Give us more money.
Exactly as they say. They are going to collect your email. They are going to show the investors on how many people are ready to buy or try this product to get even more funding. Like, if they can show a database with 1 million people that want to try this product, it's going to get a higher valuation. And when you get a higher valuation, you're going to get more money into the company. Because investors, they like to spend money on things that can be big.
And generally speaking, if people claim that they have some amazing thing, but they're not letting anybody use it, they probably don't have something as amazing as they're saying they do. And a lot of people are just saying, oh, if you're so proud that you raised $21 million and you have an AI software engineer, couldn't you either use some of those $21 million or your AI software engineer to build a website that's not just black text on a white background with almost nothing there.
But yeah, this was the tech news for this week. See you guys tomorrow.
Good morning. Today it's a new day and we're gonna go to school for the second time this week. So I'm in a little hurry, so I'm just gonna finish up this fast, pack my bag, and then we're gonna do the dash to school. I am now in school and I have a Celsius. Celsius is better than Nocco. Yeah, now we're just gonna open this. Oof, good morning. Yeah, today we're gonna create pipelines so the tester can test everything in the pipeline. And I didn't know anything about pipelines before. I wouldn't say that I know much now either, but I'm learning, so that is a good thing. But yeah, just waiting for everyone to come. First in class is always nice. Let's get this day started.